B'china Gimel and B'china Daled became restricted. These desires, because it is impossible to use them to receive in order to bestow. And there is a possibility to use only the desires of Shoresh Aleph and Bet in the desire to bestow itself, but to receive in order to bestow, there's not enough strength to do it. So, look at the sketch. Here we have the Kelim of bestowal. And here, in the worlds of Biyah, the vessels of reception. Is it clear? That's it. And in between them, Parsa. That separates between the two. In the vessels of bestowal, you can use them as much as you want, freely, please go ahead. There you always have the ability to use them. In the vessels of reception, this is something that's forbidden to use, so what do? There's a trick. There's a solution. We will take from the vessels of reception a part and elevate it and include it in the vessels of bestowal, and we'll include another part in the vessels of bestowal and another one. And this way, by many such ins and outs, we'll pass kelim, desires, from below the palsa to above the palsa. This is called achap of aliyah. It's very hard to write here. It's called achap of aliyah. What's the difference? The difference is very special. That if here I have a kli, if here I have a kli, what do I do with it? I don't use the kli itself, which is supposed the will to receive. I don't use it. I insert it into the will to bestow, for it to integrate there. To integrate there, to add of its own strength there, but it will aid the will to bestow. That's called the achap of ascent, integration. But as a result of it being nonetheless the will to receive, that it uses the vessels of bestowal, then these vessels of bestowal have some kind of illumination from the light of Chokhmah, that also the will to receive participates with them. So on the one hand, it's called the chap of aliyah. On the other hand, there is the addition of light here, Chokhmah, but only when you ascend above the Parsat Atzilut. This is what we can do. And then, this way, we can raise all of our kelim, 99% of them, besides Leva Even, the heart of stone. The Leva Even remains here. Remains below here. There's nothing you can do with it. It can't integrate with the vessels of bestowal. It can't. simply can't enter, can't become integrated, and therefore it's beneath. But over a period of the 6,000 years, we raise all of the kelim of bestowal and also of reception that can integrate in the will to bestow. And then what we have left is only a naked, stony heart of stone without any additions, without anything. Then from above, from the Ein Sof. First of all, then these 99%, they ascend to the Ein Sof, and from Ein Sof comes a special light that works on the Lev Even, that's called Rav Pa'alim Mekabtziel, or Mashiach. And then, I don't know how, but it influences the Lev Even, that the Lev Even can be corrected, and then the Lev Even, maybe, so it seems to me, that it ascends and is integrated in Atzilut, in order to later, from the Atzilut, to return with the world of Atzilut and spread down to the Siyum of Raglin. Probably these are the actions that have to happen. Maybe I did see this someplace, but I can't remember. The Lev Even, as if, has to join the Zivug, that's above, and then come back to its place with all those kelim from the world of Bia, and then the darkness shall shine as the light, and K'mar Tikkun. That's called this is the matter of the ascension of the worlds. There's an entire methodology around it, but as a principle. Okay? Good.